So when it comes to marketing, I hear this a lot. Hey Ruben, I need to grow my business and therefore I need a lot of traffic. But the truth is, most businesses today do not have a traffic problem. They have a conversion problem. Why? Because traffic is a commodity. Just go to Google Ads, just go to Facebook Ads, and within half an hour, you'll be able to actually buy traffic and reach out to any audience you want in Malaysia and the whole wide world, right? So traffic is a commodity and conversions is a true problem. So in this video today, I want to show you a quick way of increasing your conversions. Now, if you run a site or an e-commerce website, you would have a checkout page that looks something like this, right? And this is normally the default, the first name, last name. We basically collect the fields that we want from our customers, and they will have to fill up all these things before they check out. Now that is a road bump itself, and it decreases your conversions a lot. Now I do not know the exact number, but it's a lot. So what we do is we found this out at Lead. So we change our checkout page to only reflect and collect basically their first name, last name, phone number, and email address. And you can also cut out the phone number if you want to, because we can always collect the additional information after they have checked out on their card itself. So we want to make sure that they make their payment first and check out first, reduce the road bump from them, and then collect the additional information that we need later on. So this is a quick way of increasing our conversions. Now, if you'd like to learn the other conversion tactics that you can do for your website, join me in a webinar this coming Friday, and link is below. I'll see you inside. I'll share with you the other conversion tactics. See you then.